complex roof in Archicad. So go to story, ground story. So show and trace reference, story 1. So I'll pick roof, I'll pick number 2, multiplane, and I'll pick number 1, complex roof. From there, and so. Okay, we have now modeled the complex roof. So let's see the 3D view. So I'll just select it, roof settings, then I want home story to be the home story is story 1, and then so let's see the wall property is 2700. So this one, roof selection settings, project 0 is 2700. Okay, because the wall height is 2700. So you can hold control and click the scroll button, press the scroll button to be able to rotate. Not control, shift plus control button to rotate. Right, now we want to add the roof vent. So I will just pick this and then drag a copy. So I will add the roof vent without having to split the roof. So I'll just drag a copy here and I'll go to this level. Again, I will go now, this time to story 1. Right, so I can just right click and then split into single plane roofs. So split into single plane roof, split anyway. Now, although it has been split into single plane roofs, because you can see these dots here, which if I click here, you can see we don't have those mid-span dots. So these are there because we have split into single plane roof. So the reason why it's not yet split is because we have not, it is still grouped, so we need to ungroup. So we can either go to edit, grouping, ungroup. Okay, now if I pick, you can see this has been now converted into single plane roof because we have split now and then ungrouped. And then we can just again group, edit, grouping, group. So to ungroup using the keyboard shortcut, you just if you can see this, Control Shift plus G. Right, so Control Shift plus G. Again, we have ungrouped. So now I will drag this portion. I will move, drag, I will drag. I can either drag a copy or just drag. I will drag it here. So we want to paint a roof vent here, another roof vent there. So I will activate the line tool, then just draw a line from that point. Then I want my roof vent to be about 1500, so I'll just drag a copy, or just drag, holding Shift D. I can just type the distance 1500, right? So I can now pick, and then just you can see this icon split about there. I can hold Shift, then I want to split this part. Right, so this part I can just delete it, then remove this, and I this time I'll just come here, then click here, so sorry for that interruption. So I need to pick this part, that part. um um so I need to select, so I can I'll have to move this, move, drag just somewhere. Nope. So I want to drag the slab, if I'm having a slab there. So I don't have a slab, so I'll just pick here, right click. So this slab I need to move it there, then click there, then we need to change the custom plane settings, right? This time I want it to be gable, not pitched. Maybe extend the angle to, I can change the angle to 20, then just click OK. Let me change the pitch. Let's change it to gable 90. Right, the angle is 90. So if I go to 3D, holding Shift to rotate it, now you can see what we have just done. So I can just copy this one to that point. So just come to this, then just copy, move, drag from this point, that point, right? Again, now coming back to 3D, I can select connect a solid element. I will select that one as operating, then select this as target, then subtraction with upward extrusion, then execute. Okay, now we have created the first roof vent. If I hold shift and then press the scroll button, you can see you can be able to rotate and adjust view, have the view. So again, I will come at this again. This time I can just move by dragging. Okay, again the slab. So I'll pick this one and just turn it the original location. Again, I'll do the same thing for this part. I can pick this one. Okay, I just drag it. I will drag it somewhere there. Again, this time activate line tool from this point, and then this time drag this. I want a roof bend of 1500, so move drag from this point by shift D 1500, enter. Again, selecting holding shift, select both. Then I want to pick split, right? About the place where they are being connecting. So I can hold shift. Then the place I want to delete is this upper portion. So I'll click it. So I can just delete. So I'm left with the lower portion. Again, this time I'm going to have to change the pitch to be 90 here. So I pick this point. So I will have again to just move this slab and also this wall somewhere there. No, I want to move the wall. Just move it a little bit. Then again pick this one and then change the pitch, and this time again and have, let's see, pitch of 90, and okay, change to gable, so we change the angle to 90. At this time and just turn this to its original location, drag this back. Again, drag, move, drag from this point, right click, connect, solid element operation. So this, the selected one is now is the operator. Then the entire is the target. Subtract with upward extrusion and then execute. So if I go to 3D, I can just hold shift to rotate, then execute. Again, now this time you're able to see what we have just done. So in the same manner, we can just create another Dutch roof at this point or at that point. Can create as many roof vents as we want. But I think those are enough, so I'll just delete this. Right. Again, this time I will select and activate, then control select all, then go to Cadimage roof covering. So Cadimage roof covering. All right, so it's hip or gable. Right, so the custom setting, that is okay. So I'll go to cladding. You can change the cladding by clicking here, either ribbed, shingle tile, and just use the tile. It depends on properties. So here I can maybe change to about this is 2. Let's change it to 10. All right, so this one this time will be 200, or rather 250 by 200. 250 again, 200. Right, so go to framing. You can either use Z purlin or timber, so I prefer timber, is the most common. Edge boards, again timber. Soffits, all right. Flashings, gutter and downpipes, we just use the default. Can change here to either parapet, anything you like. And then display options. So now here is very important because you need to select what should be and should not be displayed. So I'll go to plain view, symbols. So everything here should be displayed. So just go and click OK. Again, you can be able just to rotate and see what we have just created. So now we are going to this elevation. Maybe we should select everything, then move. Want to move it here instead of creating new viewpoints. So if we go to source elevation, this time you are able to see the roof and stuff. This time you can just go to a view map. This time go to north elevation, open a new tab. You can see what we have just quickly created. You can see even the you can see these timber that are holding this roof together. So if I go to the plan view, you can see, but if I go now to first floor, now you can see this is the Cadimage covering. It's not then the way the ordinary roof appears. This is the Cadimage covering. So guys, that will be end of this video. If you like, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.